Fidelity Wealthscape app. The pros, the cons. When one of the world's biggest investment firms creates a digital platform for professional and investors, you expect power and precision, and Fidelity Wealthscape delivers exactly that. But is it the right fit for you? Let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros: performance and depth. Wealthscape provides a complete suite of tools for managing portfolios, analyzing performance, and executing trades. It's built for financial advisors and serious investors who need accuracy and speed. Another pro is integration. Wealthscape connects all of Fidelity's services from retirement accounts to manage portfolios under one digital roof. That means fewer platforms, fewer logins, and more clarity. The reporting capabilities are also top tier. You get detailed analytics, risk assessments, and real-time performance data, all backed by Fidelity's trusted infrastructure. Now, the cons. This platform isn't built for casual users. It's designed for professionals, so the interface can be overwhelming for beginners. And while it's powerful, it's not as intuitive or visually modern as some newer apps. The surprising truth? Wealthscape isn't trying to be flashy, it's built for precision. If you're managing multiple accounts or working with clients, it's a powerhouse. But if you just want simple investing, you might prefer something lighter. In short, the pros: deep analytics, strong integration, and professional-grade tools make Fidelity Wealthscape a serious contender for those who take investing seriously.